Western Ghats. Before jumping right onto the video, let me share you some interesting facts about Western Ghats. Did you know? Western Ghats are older than Himalayas and are characterized by monsoons. The Western Ghats are spread across 180,000 square kilometers, which consist of chain of mountains, dense forest, and winding rivers. Uttarakannada district is a junction between Northern Western Ghats and Southern Western Ghats. In this region, the people have their own style of livelihood, which completely depends on this particular valley, and they get everything from cultivation and surrounding forest. Uttarakannada is a district which has a very rich biodiversity, and it is also very well populated. In recent decades, it is been highly urbanized. Recently, Uttarakannada led to have severe flood due to heavy rain. There are many types of flooding. In that, the particular type of flooding is caused by urbanization. Once you have a productive land, people tend to come and occupy the land to extend their agriculture, and thus the water will not flow to the downstream, which causes the flood to occur. So it's essential to forge partnership with people living in and around the forest to help conserve these ecosystems and the essential services they provide.